starters, we want to introduce to you our new awesome magical pen, Ctap, the call to action pen. It combines a traditional writing method of a fountain pen with a bit of tech to bring it to the 21st century. There is no need to move away from the old to step into the future. With one tap, Ctap can control lights in whatever fruity nature they are found. And with a few more taps, it can control your TV. And the power does not stop there. Ctap can be paired with any compatible Bluetooth device, giving you the ability to control music, social media, or even send out an important SOS alert. Ctap is made from aluminium, making it recyclable and lightweight, a contrast to its rigid exterior. Inside lies the magical Bluetooth module, battery and ink cartridge, and of course, we have the easy-flowing and reliable Kawaku nib. Ctap is available to buy at £36 with a recommended retail price of £80. It comes with everything you need to operate the pen, the replaceable battery and the Ctap app. This campaign will allow us to mass produce the pen and hopefully give everyone a chance to write, sketch and control. Ctap will be ready to ship worldwide in October 2020. Thank you again for your care and support. Love from Yen.
Throughout the day, we touch this, and this. In between all of this, we're constantly touching this. Then we wash these throughout the day, but not this. Minutes later, we grab this, and these germs are right back on our hands. How does that make any sense? See, you have to clean these and this at the same time. Otherwise, you're just transferring germs back and forth. That's why we created Halo, a touchless, super fast sanitizer for your phone. So that in the time it takes to wash these, you also clean this. And eliminate 99.9% of these. You really need to sanitize your phone every time you wash your hands. That's at least 4 to 5 times a day. But with Halo, you can. Halo flashes a high dose of UV light so that the germs are eliminated quickly and safely. This is the same light that hospitals use to sanitize. Halo is touchless. This is not. Halo sanitizes in 30 seconds. Others take 10 times longer. Halo is effective. Others, not as much. And Halo works with any phone. It's small enough to fit anywhere. On your desk. On the front desk. In the conference room. Everyone can use it. Remember, it's important to wash your hands and sanitize your phone at the same time. Halo is the only sanitizer fast enough to do that.
Life is better together. That's why we made Streamer, a clever little gadget that lets you broadcast the sound from any Bluetooth device to an endless amount of other streamers around it. There's no limit to how many streamer devices you can connect to a single phone, laptop, or tablet. You simply pair one streamer over Bluetooth, and the first device will then rebroadcast the audio to other streamers around it. It's also great on its own. A secure clip makes it perfect for outdoor activities using a single earbud so you stay aware of what's happening around you. A A double tap anywhere on Streamer lets you activate Siri and start or stop a phone call. Streamer has a crystal clear built-in microphone, perfect for conference calls. And magnets in the specially designed earbud make it snap in place when you're done. If you already own a favorite pair of wired headphones, just plug them into Streamer to make any headset wireless. After launching Jackster on Kickstarter in 2017, we decided to reuse the existing plastic parts and develop entirely new electronics and software to create a unique product. Whether you're on the go,